In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out a HoneyBook contract from the client's point of view. This step-by-step guide is designed to walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you understand how to complete and submit your contract efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll receive an email from your service provider. This email will contain a link to your HoneyBook contract. When you click on this link, it will open the contract in a new tab in your web browser. Don't worry, you won't need to create an account unless your service provider specifically requires it. Once your contract is open, take a moment to review all its details. You'll find all the terms laid out for you, including the services provided, deliverables, payment schedules, and any policies you need to be aware of. Make sure to scroll through and read everything carefully before you start filling in any fields, so you have a clear understanding of what's expected. As you begin to fill out the contract, you'll notice that some fields are marked with a red asterisk. These indicate that the information is required and needs to be completed. Typical fields that require your input include your full name, email address, phone number, and project-specific details, such as the event date or service location. Ensure all required information is accurately entered to avoid any hiccups later. There may be sections within the contract where your initials are requested. This step is crucial as it confirms your acknowledgement of specific parts of the contract. To add your initials, simply click on the designated field and either type or select your initials using the provided options. The next important step is signing the contract. You'll find the signature field at the end of the document. HoneyBook offers a few options for signing. You can either type your name, draw your signature using a mouse or touchscreen, or if available, use a pre-saved signature. Choose the option that works best for you and ensure that your signature is clear and legible. After you've completed all required fields and added your signature, click on the Accept and Submit button, or whatever similar wording you might see. Doing so sends your completed contract to the service provider. A confirmation screen will appear, indicating that your submission was successful. For your records, it's wise to download or save a copy of the contract. After submission, you'll typically have the option to download it as a PDF or print it out. Keeping a copy ensures you can refer back to it if necessary. Finally, notifications get sent to both you and the service provider, confirming that the contract has been completed. This final step creates a record of the transaction and provides peace of mind that everything has been processed correctly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of filling out a HoneyBook contract from the client's perspective. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more helpful how-to guides.